Hello and welcome. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey of destination inspiration with the Lambus Discover feature. Let's explore how to find your next dream destination or interesting places that are waiting for you on site. To get started, let's visit the Discover section of the app. You can do this by tapping on the second item in the tap bar. Now, the world is at your fingertips. Whether you have a specific destination in mind or you're open to new ideas, Lambus has you covered. If you already know where you want to go, simply search for the destination. For example, let's say you're dreaming of New York City. Type it in, and you'll find extensive guides filled with local insights, recommendations, and travel tips. Let's take a closer look at the New York City guide. In addition to media, you will find a description including interesting information such as the best time to travel, insider tips, and the most important sites. You can take a closer look at the stops and recommended places and add all or just some of them to an existing trip. Or if you like everything and haven't started planning yet, you can also create a completely new trip based on the guide. But wait, there's more. Lambus Discover also offers a treasure trove of inspiration. You can scroll to explore popular categories, discover new guides, or dive into curated lists of your next favorite destinations. If you see something you like but don't know when the next adventure is coming up, you can easily save the guides in your bookmarks. Simply tap on the heart icon. And that's it! Have fun discovering from now on. Whether you're planning a relaxing getaway, a thrilling adventure, or a cultural exploration, Lambus Discover is your trusted companion for finding that perfect destination. Thank you for watching this Lambus tutorial. Let your wanderlust guide you, and may your travels be filled with incredible experiences.